Here's how to instantly turn chocolate into milk with InShot. Step 1. Record 3 videos without moving your camera. Clip 1. Record yourself squeezing the chocolate. Clip 2. Pour the milk from a height. Clip 3. Record yourself drinking the milk. Step 2. Overlay the videos and apply a mask. Import the first and third clip into InShot. Then add the second clip in PIP. Press autofill to fit the video to screen. Add a rectangular mask. And adjust the area accordingly. Add keyframes and shift the mask so it looks like milk is flowing from your palm. You can repeat the step as many times as you need to. Step 3. Add animated sticker and transitions. Press sticker, then superpowers, and click the sticker of your choice. Lastly, add a transition. We chose the fade out transition so your milk magically disappears. Now you can run along and milk anything you want with a little help from InShot. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube and share this tutorial with your friends.